Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get vidIQ cheaper. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. All right, as you can see here, I already have max. I just got it for 98 US cents. Okay, or in some region, approximately $1. So how did I get it? So again, if you've missed it, you can go ahead and scroll down in the description below or in the pinned comments. You can just click on one of these links, okay, and automatically a discount code or a promo code will be applied to your specific account. So just click on it and then just go ahead and click on start a day for only $1. So just click on it, log in with one of your vidIQ accounts. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and select from one of your Google accounts from here. All right, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all you got to do is just add in your card number and pay now. As you can see here, amount due today is 98 cents or approximately $1. Click on pay now, and once done, instead of saying free right here, you now have the max version of vidIQ for 1 month. All right, and that is how you get vidIQ cheaper. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.